So I deleted some files from my memory and I took this beautiful rainbow at this Pedro. This is a posh locality in Buenos Aires, very expensive locality. The rainbow was much brighter at the time. Today is March 17th, 2026. Okay, the beautiful rainbow is there. It was very, very strong few minutes ago when I got my photos done. This is Abhinandan. Abhinandan from Bangalore. Right now already 2 months in Buenos Aires, Argentina. I was there for 6 months in USA, 3 months in Miami, until from November 2024 till 25th of February 2025. 6 months I was in Colombia, 3 months in 2 months in Peru, and then 3 months in Bolivia. Right now I am in Argentina, then I'll be going to Chile, probably Paraguay and Uruguay also. If you are a person watching this video and if you don't take action, then you have to check your own pulse. You have to check your own pulse. This is such a beautiful, nice view it was. I got nice photos done. I met one prospect also, potential prospect, okay, from Ecuador. I gave him my number and card. So I deleted some files from my memory, from this mobile, to just record this, because the memory became full. So those of you who are watching this, contact and speak to Abhinandan after you visit my website, abhts.info. abhts.info, and watch the video on a laptop or a computer, not on a mobile. Okay, watch it on a laptop or a computer. After you had a 9 hours deep sleep, take a shower, drink a strong coffee, have some protein food, and then watch that video. It won't be very interesting or exciting like a movie or a reel, but all business videos will be boring. See, people are gymming over there, and I like to walk. It's called Mega Salon. Okay, and I came to see a place nearby in San Telmo. So this is a beautiful view, and this is one of the richest, #1 posh locality of Buenos Aires. Here and all the rent is like a USA standard, like Miami standard it is. $1,000, $2,000 a rent. Dollars, I'm telling you. Okay, still the rainbow light is still there. It was such a beautiful. Okay, and contact and speak to Abhinandan after you visit the website and watch the video. Abhinandan is one person who shows his face here. So now I request you, if you love to travel, you have to watch the video. Abhinandan is the only one and only person giving you an opportunity to travel to USA, not freely. You can start a business with $311. If you don't have $311, 311 USDT, you can start with 55 USDT, earn the money, and then start with 311 with the 6 IDs. Only if you start with 6 IDs and earn $20,000 in 7 months time. In 7 months time, okay, you will get this opportunity to visit New York. No other person will give you this opportunity. I have visited USA 5 times, again in August 2026. Now, today is March 17th, 2026. Okay, again in August 2026, Abhinandan will be going. For this side also very beautiful scenery, nice building. So, you have to contact and speak to me. Today morning I attended one Zoom meeting about zero investment business. Okay, but you cannot make fast money, big money in that. But with this $55 business, while I'm showing this scenery, I will talk only about business. While you are in this $55 business, our best is to start with $311. Ease. You know what? If you work, without working, you cannot make money. See, these are small businesses. If you are putting maybe 2 crore or 5 crore, for that you can tell without working you can earn some money because others will work. But if you want to earn money without working, then you have to start with at least $1,700. $1,700. Just count about approximately Indian rupees 1,60,000 rupees. Then you can employ a telecaller who will do the calls for other business clients. And invite them for a Zoom presentation conducted by Abhinandan, that is myself, after they watch a 40 minutes video. I'm making things very, very clear. And no one else can give you an opportunity to visit USA. Okay, once you visit USA, you get a 10-year visa. But before visiting USA, I would like to take you to Malaysia. Though you might have visited Malaysia many times, okay, if at all you have visited, I would like to take you to Malaysia for another business. Okay, and then China. All the targets, what you have to do, everything will be sent separately after you contact and speak to Abhinandan. This is a very beautiful place. It's already maybe more than 7 p.m. right now. I wanted to come here because I came nearby called to San Telmo. I thought let me go this side. And for my luck, there was a very beautiful, it's maybe already 7 o'clock, more than 7, but you'll have the sunset. Sun will set at 7:10. So a lot of IT companies here also and residences. Most of the Americans come and stay over here. So contact and speak to Abhinandan. Don't come to your own conclusion. I know lucky people will contact and work, but I've seen people going and joining under useless people. Useless people who do not offer them anything when they achieve a target. You work very hard and you make your upline and your company earn money. Abhinandan shares 50% of what comes from you, gives back to you as a free trip to Malaysia, free trip to China. Why you have to visit this country? Ask me if you don't know. Why you have to visit once Malaysia? Why you have to visit once China? Very important. And why you have to visit South America for fun? South America is for pure fun. And then why you have to visit once USA? Okay. I'll tell you all those things after you watch the detailed long video in my website abhits.info and speak to me. Today people are not confident to speak. Unlike 30 years ago when people landline, when I used to put in 1996, 1998 when I used to put advertisement in newspaper, Times of India. Okay, or put a flyer in the newspaper. That time, 200, 250, 300 calls I used to receive from morning 6 o'clock. People used to call and I used to invite them for a presentation. And in 1996, I used to charge 50 rupees, 100 rupees for a 3-hour presentation in a hotel. That was a lot of money that time. It was a big money. Okay, because a cinema theater, a balcony ticket, it was 20 rupees, 20, 30 rupees. But my presentation was 50 rupees and sometimes 100 rupees. And if it was in a 5-star hotel, it used to be 500 rupees for a 3-hour presentation. Once again, Abhinandan here. I'm a little conscious when I'm recording on my own to speak. That's the reason. So this is a very beautiful in Buenos Aires. That's a pin over there which I'm going to go still there, but I do not know whether my memory will support. The mobile memory will support. I deleted one file right now. It's already holding back. Okay, one file of Bolivian file of a carnival. I deleted it. okay, to accommodate this. So very important. I'm not showing this side where people are walking, but recording this. So no one can give you, I'm repeating that, no one in direct selling or affiliate marketing or network marketing or referral marketing or any other training program. Today people pay in India somewhere from 6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 40,000, 3 lakh, 4 lakh rupees and all for a training programs. That a trainer also won't take you. Okay? But Abhinandan will give you an opportunity. I'm for September event in USA, in Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Okay, I'm inviting some, I will be sending an email to thousands of real estate people, but I'm looking for one company apart from my other businesses. So very, very important. This is not a business. Now there are some people who tell, oh Abhinandan, I heard your talk for 15 minutes. I did not understand anything in the business. This is like a trailer, like advertisement. I'm only showing the scenery. Okay, that is one famous, that pin you can see over there. Let me show you there. Yeah, I may go still there, but I don't think the memory will be still that time, or I have to pause it. So contact and speak to Abhinandan is very important. After you watch the video, long, detailed, my background video and a little bit of business detail is explained over there. In fact, nearly 80% is explained over there in the website, abts.info. Once you watch that video, then WhatsApp me, mention your name, your profession, your city, and tell me clearly that Abhinandan, I have watched this video fully. Then you tell me what you understood, and then tell me what you did not understand. When I was in USA, I followed 17 online gurus. People used to come on YouTube advertisement and say, I'm making $60,000 per month. Okay, $40,000 per month. So I used to register in their program, attend 3 hours into 3 days. 3 hours into 3 days program, then pay some amount, join their business, and when you send an email, you will take 3 days or 4 days to respond.